It seems that a fish with a ridiculously strong pull hit. This man seems to think it's a giant trevally, but I don't know what kind of fish it is until he actually catches it. What kind of fish do you think was a hit? However, the goal this time was the southern Black Sea bream. It's a more detailed device than usual. Even in such a case, there is a trick to communicate without cutting the thread. Many people think a thin fishing line can't catch big fish. That's not true. The secret isn't the line. It's your drag. Set the drag so the fish can take line when it makes a powerful run. Don't lock the reel completely. When the fish runs, let it go. When it slows down, recover the line smoothly. Keep the rod bent to absorb the shock. Never pull harder than your tackle can handle. Be patient. A big fish gets tired much faster than you think. With the right drag setting and steady pressure, even light tackle can land surprisingly powerful fish. Fight smart, not hard. The strongest angler isn't the one who pulls the hardest. It's the one who knows when to let the fish run. For this catch, I wasn't using heavy offshore tackle. My setup was a PE size 3 braided main line, a size 10 nylon leader, a size 10 hook leader, and a size 12 Black Sea bream hook. This is a versatile setup that many anglers use for medium to large inshore fish. It's strong, but it's not designed to simply overpower every fish. That's why the drag matters so much. When a powerful fish makes a long run, the reel should let the line out smoothly. With steady pressure and patience, you can land fish that are much stronger than your tackle might suggest. Good tackle helps. But the real difference is knowing how to fight the fish. The drag didn't just protect the line. It helped land the fish. It kept running. More than 100 meters of line disappeared from the reel. I never tried to force it. I just stayed patient and let the drag do its job. Eventually, the fish slowed down, and I finally had a chance to bring it closer.
エイだ。
エイか。エイかよ。
エイだった。
シルザイ。
まさかのエイだよ。エイだ。
こんなに走るわ。うざいな。
エイだった。
I was a little disappointed. It turned out to be a ray.
可愛いけどよ。
可愛いね。